that love only gives one fruit, and that fruit is the best, and that fruit is love. From joy, love is the root. It can't be called against nature when love is involved. Let me tell you what's against nature. Polluting water, that's against nature. Polluting the soil, that's against nature. Contaminating the air we breathe. Destroying forests where animals live, that's against nature and stupid. Suffocate under climate change, creating waste we can't manage. Crawl under plastic so badly we now eat it. That's against nature and stupid. That's against nature and stupid. Melt up entire continents, heat up the oceans. Show your children how we treat creation. They tell you that's against nature and stupid. For years we've punished and called against nature homosexuality, but we let flourish a trade driving the world to sterility. That love only gives one fruit, and that fruit is the best, and that fruit is love. From joy, love is the root. It can't be called against nature when love is involved.